Hi and welcome. So today we're going to talk about what hacking is, how to get started, and of course some free resources for you. So first of all, let's just talk about what hacking is, right? Hacking can be divided into different kind of subcategories, and we can talk about it for a very long time. But in this video, I just want to get you into the idea to understand what hacking really is. Now, let's say you have a house, and inside the house you have some money. Now, a typical burglar would go into the door or through the window. Now, that is normal physical hacking. In a way, you can say it like that. Now, in IT, that is quite different, because then you're going to try and gain access to that data, which is what most companies value the most, is the data. So you want to try and get access to the data. And the way you get access to that is, for example, by going through systems unintentionally, brute forcing your way through it, or some other way. But all that is quite advanced and difficult to explain just in a small slideshow. So I'm just going to say that hacking is finding the way in some way that was unintentional, or misuse of software in some way to gain access. Now, it's a very common misconception that hacking looks something like this. You know, we all seen movies in Hollywood. I think the below GIF file is from it's one of those dinosaur movies. Yes, it is. And the other one on the top, I don't know, it's just some joke, I guess. But some people just think that hacking is something like that. And if you talk with different kind of groups in the industry, or just people that are not that technical, they might think this is the way it looks like, because this is the way that Hollywood presented it to them through movies. In reality, hacking looks a bit more boring. It's just like this. I wanna express that it's not boring to hack. If you really want to learn to hack, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna learn to embrace the terminal. Now, terminals have somewhat the same face. You probably all this at some point seen DOS. The command prompt in Windows, and that command prompt is actually the way that you're gonna try and get access to stuff. The reason that you're gonna use the command prompt a lot when you hack is that you have another type of access through the command prompt. All these graphical user interfaces you can use, some of them are quite good. However, when you need real access to files and real access to systems in a way that is kind of raw, you go the raw way. So you go through the terminal. So this is what it would probably look like. I know that I picked some images with some small ASCII art. It's a bull and a penguin, I think it is. But some of them do have it, and it's just the way it is. But this is what it in reality looks like, and it's something. If you remember the Matrix screen with all the green letters flowing down, that is of course also just something that Hollywood invented. But there are some tools you can use, automating testing tools that's going to generate a lot of text and results, and that will of course in reality overflow your screen with stuff that you can go back to look at. But it's all going to be automated results, and it's going to be really awesome. So in reality, hacking could look like something like this. Now you have a normal person in a normal home, sitting at the screen. This is of course a quite old computer, but I found the image quite fun, and I figured this is going to be the way that I could show it in some way that'd be logical. I want to say hacking is for everyone. I think you can be a hacker. I think there's no special looks a hacker could have or should have. Anyone, the average phone in the gym, the supermarket, the bookstore, the old guy, the young guy, anyone really. So I think hacking is for everyone, basically. Everyone should learn something these days about hacking. So what I really did is, in this video, is in the description below, I'm sharing with you my direct idea for you how to get into hacking. What I really wanna make you do first is to install a virtual machine on your local machine. I have a video in the links below, description below, sorry, and where I actually have another video from the old days I recorded, not that old, where I show you how to do all these kind of things. Creating a profile on the webpage called TryHackMe, and that is TryHackMe.com. I also put a link to that in the description. Just go ahead and sign up, it's gonna be free. And what I really did is, and I'm gonna spoil right now, I hand picked out for you different kind of rooms that you can go ahead and do. They are all free. None of them require you to pay any money. You can do that totally free. Also in these kind of difficult times when prices are up in gas and oil and anything basically. So on a later stage, when you did all these kind of things, I recommend you to go ahead and try PicoCTF and hack the box. But for now, I recommend TryHackMe.com as the very best starting resource for you. So the roadmap for you would be something like this. I put it down below in description with the links directed to the rooms. You just click it in my video, or just rewatch the video if you wish to do that. Go ahead and do these rooms here, in this particular order. And that should give you a somewhat, solid introduction to, how to use the terminal, as I explained before. Some idea about what is security, understanding what networking is, because everything is about the network. Getting some pen testing fundamentals, now we start, and then the intro to offensive security. I think that is the way for you to go. These are all free rooms, free stuff you can do. And if you wish to, engage into more security, I have a big selection of TryHackMe rooms that I did a walkthrough to on my channel. I have more than 80 videos of TryHackMe stuff, and I have more than 90 videos about cybersecurity. So if you wish to watch that, please be my guest. Leave a comment below and say hi. I'm going to say hi back, 100%. So I think after that, when you did the rooms, I also collected some challenges for you can do. There are different rooms. The one is called Corridor. It's also on TryHackMe. It's a basic pen testing, pick it rig, simple CTF, and rule me. Now, these rooms are all free. You can do that without paying any money at all. Then there's a paid alternative, and the paid alternative is to start on something called a learning path on TryHackMe. If you're taking education at the moment, you can get a discount. It's a study discount. Else, it's still quite affordable to have a monthly subscription on TryHackMe. But if you want to go free for now, you can do the challenges that I put there, and that should be more than enough for you to get started with some really good challenges. Now, when I write challenges, I mean challenges. So you need to break your head a bit and get into it, and you will learn a lot of it. And a lot from it. So that is really what I recommend you to do. The free starting resources is going to be in the description below, where I put stuff for you to watch. So basically, I just want to say, hope you really like this video. It's a short video, how to get into hacking, intro to hacking. This is exactly what I want to create for you. So I really hope to see you in the comment below. Say hi to me, I will definitely get back. So until next time, just want to say have a really nice day and see you again.